Ever wanted to clean your room, but you feel really tired by your job, your family, the existential dread that has been these past 2 years? Luckily, there's a robot vacuum that'll help you out. On this episode of Good Tech Cheap, let's go! Hello and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about the Lydsto R1 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Yes, that's right, it is a robotic vacuum cleaner, but not only that, it has self-empty. Yeah, it can empty itself. That's next level robotics right there. Not only does this vacuum have self-emptying technology, it also has a mop, LiDAR navigation system, 2700 PA strong suction. It's also extremely quiet, it's self-charging, and really it's ideal for pet hair, hard floor, low pile carpets, dust, Cheeto dust. Anything really you can think of, it can probably mop up for you. This vacuum has 30K PA super strong suction power to help clean out that little dust box of yours. The dust bag can hold up to 30 days worth of dust without need for cleaning. That's a month of dust. That's like the definition of low maintenance right there. It has smart breakpoint scan and a 5200 megahertz battery capacity. This vacuum also has a suction and drag integrated technology with a 2700 PA super suction plus intelligent 250 millimeter electronically controlled water tank. 250 milliliter electronically controlled water tank. I don't think you can get that with most other vacuums. The LDS laser scans the house for high precision mapping and high precision obstacle avoidance. Additionally, with the app custom cleaning method, you can check sweeper information at any time. It also has incredibly well-designed noise reduction. Very, very quiet and very, very simple. This vacuum comes with an LDS 360 degree laser navigation system. It is equipped with the LDS 2.0. That's 2.0. I don't know what I did with my fingers right there. It has a high precision radar laser sensor system, precision mapping and navigation for up to 360 degrees. That's literally this. It can survey any type of obstacle or step that could possibly be in its way, and it can adjust direction at any time. When a carpet is detected, the water tank is immediately pressurized and closed for intelligent cleaning. This also comes with the Lydsto V5 algorithm, a brand new 2021 premiered intelligent algorithm and technology. It can create a map within milliseconds of scanning. It has multi-map memory and you can customize it at any time. So if you want to wall off a section of your house or you want to have certain no-go zones, you can customize the map and it will actively know where it needs to go. But if you want to break them, you can break them at literally any time. It's completely up to you to customize. The Lydsto R1 also has automatic charging capabilities. Yes, that's right, automatic. Once that thing gets below 15%, it will find its charger port and it will go right there. It doesn't matter if it's all the way on one side of the house, it will go directly to the other side and get itself charged. That's insanely impressive. It also has a 2-year local warranty service, meaning if you have any real problem with it, you can email them or call them and they will answer any question you have and work on it to make sure you get the best product possible. So I have done a lot of talking about this product. Matt, why don't you go ahead and show this off?
Yeah, sure. I'll do it. Clearly I wasn't doing anything. I wasn't just living my life. But it seems you think that I am filthy. You want me to build this vacuum for you. Well, thank you guys, because yes, I am quite dirty, so I appreciate it, guys. All right. So, I'm going to build this thing, but I think it's kind of already built. So, let's take a look at it. Inside of this magnificent box is all the things you need to launch your awesome vacuum mop combo. It's a robot, and it cleans really well. I appreciated it. But this thing can suck really hard, and it gets all the dirt out of everything, and then it mops it up. Setting this vacuum up is extremely easy. All jokes aside, straight out of the box, it pretty much works immediately. It even came with something like a 80% charge or so. You simply scan the QR code on the back of the box, and you can download the app and get everything set up. Once it does the initial scans and everything of the floor plan, you'll actually see kind of like your house layout or so. I did the bottom floor of my townhouse so you get an idea of what's going on down there. And then I used the app's dividing features to actually set sections and areas in the house. And you can use the rename feature in the app to name them appropriately. So kitchen, dining room, entryway, all that kind of stuff, right? It comes with all of the accessories included, even things like extra mop cloths and a cleaning knife. It comes with a cleaning knife, which I thought was really cool because we all know that's an issue after you use a RoboVac for a little while, or just a normal vacuum. You can accumulate hair up in the bristles and stuff. So coming with that cleaning knife is pretty cool. Just slide it through and you'll be able to clean everything up. Easy peasy. Putting the vacuum in mop mode is pretty simple. On the map, you're just gonna actually go to the settings and select mop mode, but make sure you set the hardware up also while doing this. So you're just gonna take the water tank out, fill it up with water, attach it, and make sure that the mop attachment is attached and that you have some kind of mop cloth on it. I went ahead and opted to use one of the disposable mops on this because I'm going to keep that one that I got that can be used forever as clean as possible. While it mops, it also vacuums. There is separate containers inside, so it does try to separate everything first. So vacuuming it up as it goes and then mopping afterwards. Pretty cool. And then when it's all done, it will return to home and recharge, but also empty itself. That's right, this thing comes with like a little miniature garbage can included, and it literally vacuums and sucks everything out of your RoboVac and into the miniature garbage can. The garbage can in the RoboVac gets sucked out into another garbage can, and inside that garbage can is a little baggie that gets full over time. And then you just pull that out, close the flap on it, and toss it in the garbage can. Ha ha! I can be lazy and clean at the same time. I'm talking smart brake scanning. That's right, so basically the electricity is replenished on demand. During the cleaning process, the amount of electricity required for the remaining area is calculated and automatically recharged. So after the required electricity is replenished, it will return to the brake point to continue scanning. Also included is a large dust bag. So the large dust bag has a capacity of 3 liters. That's equivalent to 30 ordinary dust boxes. The packaging is also equipped with 7 dust bags, which can meet the needs of an ordinary family for 7 months without frequent replacement of dust bags, and can accommodate for 2,000 square meters of ground cleaning dust. There's automatic dust collection or the 1-button dust collection. So after cleaning, the dust collection station automatically starts working mode to clean the dust box. Well, thanks guys. All right, sure. Yep, okay, that's everything. I showed you the vacuum. It works, it charges, it vacuums, it mops. There's an app. And it looks great. Overall, I would say awesome product, and thanks for reminding me of how filthy I am. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back to work. What was that even doing?
Wow, that was an amazing product demo. Thanks so much to Matt for showing that off to us. I'd like to thank Lydsto for sponsoring this video. The Lydsto R1 robotic vacuum originally comes priced at $399, but if you click on that link in the description below, you can find special discount codes and special coupons to buy the robotic vacuum. Click on that link in the description below and check it out. It's a pretty good deal. Once again, thank you so much to Lydsto for sponsoring this video. If you like the R1 robotic vacuum, please click on that link in the description below to get more research, special discounts, special coupons, and to buy the vacuum, obviously. From Los Angeles, California, I have been your host, Adron. Stay safe, be kind, have a nice day. Bye.